Hey Ekipa crowd, today we do have the final event of our Innovate 2030 project, and in a few minutes our teams will pitch their ideas in front of a jury, and then the final winners will be selected.
So, I guess we're live. Welcome to the final event of Innovate 2030. So hopefully you are as excited as I am. Now where the organizational part is settled, I can now welcome Vang. You can switch on your camera.
So hello everybody, and it's really nice to have the opportunity to talk a little bit about a favorite topic of mine.
Hi everyone, good evening and a very warm welcome.
Hi everybody, we are Omati.
I will be presenting on behalf of the UK Poland group.
We as the Green Paramedics.
So hello everyone, we're Sci Automations.
Team Fariot.
Team Extend.
We are Team Mission BSH.
So welcome everyone.
We are from Team from Waste to This.
My name is Julie, I'm the founder and director of the startup Marea.
Hi everyone, thank you.
And that's why we created Greeners.
Team Dutch.
Presenting on behalf of the Waste into Value team.
So, as we said before, the jury is discussing their decision. So, in the meantime, we have a very interesting and inspiring keynote that awaits us.
Again, thanks a lot for the invitation and the opportunity to speak at this very nice and interesting event.
First of all, congrats to all teams which attended, because you said 100 teams, well prepared. This is a huge number of active groups, so congrats and thank you very much to all of you to being engaged in this field. And the winning team is Omati, Mission BSH, UK Poland Group, Marea W06, Team Extend, Olympus. I mean, you are concentrating on a very important issue. You try to bring together digital innovations and digital transformations with different sustainability challenges. And I can tell you that there is a lot of room for improvement. So this is really important. And you are the next generation, actually. You know? So in my generation, we now try to open the right doors. But you are already working on very concrete solutions. So this is exciting. Thank you very much for that.